Curb ramps are great at protecting your vehicle from curb damage, but quality levels differ between brands. So, let's examine the differences between BRIDJIT and VEVOR ramps on some key factors like durability, ease of installation, and warranty coverage. BRIDJIT curb ramps are made in the USA from eco-friendly and durable recycled rubber. This makes them tough and able to withstand years of heavy use. VEVOR ramps are also made from recycled materials. However, they have an unknown source of manufacture, leaving a big question mark over their durability and strength. That is probably why VEVOR ramps come with just a 1-year standard warranty, while BRIDJIT curb ramps are offered with a far superior 5-year limited warranty. If you're looking for a high-quality, durable curb ramp that will last for years and can handle heavy loads, BRIDJIT curb ramps are your best choice. Click on the link below for more information.